Hello, this is Africa. Welcome back to This is Africa, and I'm going to update you on the construction of overpasses and interchanges that are set to be constructed in Nairobi. So there is going to be construction of two overpasses and a series of road interchanges that are going to be linking Congo to Nairobi Central Business District. And this project is estimated to cost 2.9 billion Kenya shillings. And the project is also expected to be completed in the year 2023. This particular project that I'm showing you guys, this is a project that is going to involve a construction of a viaduct at a Valley Road and Kenyatta Avenue from Integrity Center to Serena Hotel. And don't forget that there will be also an interchange at Gong and Nyerere Road, and an overpass at Upper Hill and Haile Selassie Avenue, and associated road network from Milimani Local to Lower Hill Road. And guys, don't forget that the State House Road will be refurbished, while Nyerere Road will be turned into a dual carriage. So guys, for those of you who don't know what a viaduct is a type of long bridge or series of bridges that usually are supported by a series of car quays and or on span between tall towers. So by now, if you're talking about the construction in Nairobi, we must be talking about the Nairobi Expressway. What is going to be happening is that these two viaducts or these carriageway are designed in a such manner that we approach the 57 billion Kenya shillings Nairobi Expressway at lower levels and into the CBD through Haile Selassie and Kenyatta Avenue, which is the road that I'm currently showing you. Another development that is going to be happening is that there are going to be construction of closed lanes, cycle tracks, and side lanes that are going to be including two bus rapid transport corridors along Haile Selassie and Kenyatta Avenue. Guys, it's about to rain, so let me try to look for a shelter. Guys, it's about to rain, so let me try to look for a shelter. Guys, you can see the drainage system. They're still working on the drainage system and among other things. And talking about the drainage system that has been constructed here, which is the one you see on the left side, it is that it has been covered, which is something that is very rare, especially here in Nairobi. Most of the time they are constructing the drainage, they do leave them open, but this one is a good sign. So guys, you can see they are trying to speed up. I think this is a little bit So guys, we do have the construction of sidewalks on the left side, and on the right side we have the construction of the viaduct. Guys, it is raining, so I may not be able to. So guys, thank you so much for watching my channel. Please make sure you subscribe, like and share my videos, and I will see you in the next video.